Hi guys, just a quick video to show you one of our experimental guppy crosses. What we did here was we took a female metal black lace guppy, kept her separate from all the other males for around 6 months. Then we introduced her to her own tank with a male yellow tiger Endler. And 4 months later, this is the result of the cross. As you can see, they're quite nice. We don't know if we're going to pursue this, as in try and line breed them. We have several other guppy crosses in our fish room right now. We're just waiting for them to mature a little bit, and then we'll showcase them on separate videos as well. Thanks for watching.